favorite topic to talk about in drumming. And I could probably talk about it indefinitely, but I'm not gonna do that to you guys. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are actually wrapping up our series on ghost notes. And we'll probably come back and do another series on these down the road because this is my favorite topic to talk about in drumming. And I could probably talk about it indefinitely, but I'm not going to do that to you guys. Today we're just going to go over some resources that I like to use when I'm working with my students. And so if you want to dig in further, you can check these out. First off, we got a couple books. Survival Guide for the Modern Drummer by Jim Riley. I've talked about this one before. Great section in there on ghost notes in a rock and pop setting. Second one, The Breakbeat Bible by Mike Adamu. This book is awesome. Kicked my butt, worked it front to back. Lots of great groove transcriptions in there, and it forces you to go listen to the groove in context on the record. And that's probably the best resource you can get, is go get yourself some old soul and funk records, like some James Brown, some Parliament, some Tower Power, some Stevie Wonder, all sorts of stuff. Listen to these things on repeat, and you'll start to become a ghost note machine. So have fun with it, practice hard, and I'll see you guys next week.